What's going on, guys? I am back. I know it's been a minute since I last posted on here, but I've just been really busy the past months because your boy is officially a dad. I'm really stoked. I'm really happy. Here's a photo of my little girl. Oh my gosh, isn't she so cute? She's so adorable. Oh my gosh, like an angel. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So it's been 3 months. Oh shoot, there's the freaking fly over here. So I've been MIA for 3 months, and within that 3 months I did something that I shouldn't have, and I've been keeping it a secret until now. Actually, only like 3 people knows about it, or 4, but I got myself another project car. I know, I have too many project cars. This is what it's like being a car guy, you know, like you just want to keep buying more cars. You see something that you like, you're gonna want to have it, you know. If you're watching this and you're a car guy, you should understand. But I don't know if I should be happy or concerned about it, because I have my daughter to take care of, and I have more mouths to feed, and my daughter comes first, of course. And you know, I don't know if I'll have time to put money into a new project, but it's here now. I purchased it. It is what it is. So all right, now I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys. As you guys can see about myself, a 1 Series it is a 2012 128i. I bought the car back in April. No start, quite no start. Luckily it was an easy fix. I bought this car mainly just for the show. I didn't really care too much for the motor, because I have plans to do a motor swap in the future, which I'll be going over that in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, the car looks decent. I mean, it's got some paint fades on the roof, on the hood and the roof. Some fender bender over here. See what else. Oh, and the trunk, a little, it's like starting to fade already. It's more like cosmetic damage. Everything is good. It's a clean title. But yeah, like I said, I don't really care too much about the outside of the car right now, because I do plan to convert this into a 1M in the future. I don't know just yet what I'll be doing with this car. Maybe turn it into a drift car or a show car. Who knows? When I get there, I'll decide. But yeah, this is the car. I gotta head back to the shop and help my buddy with his truck. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Near the shop, gonna be helping my buddy Jay with his truck. He's gonna be doing a transmission fluid change. What's up, Jay?
Yeah.
So did it work? The truck was too wide and too long for the lift, so we have to do it on the floor. I know I haven't been recording for like 2 to 3 months, but I've been doing some work behind the camera. I'm not sure if you guys seen this in one of my videos, but this is my S13 Coupe. I bought it 2 years ago, not running. I did my diagnostic, and turns out it's just some wiring issues. I got it running, and it was running good for a little while, and then now it just started idling rough, and it's not revving past 2000 RPM. I'm thinking it's the master flow sensor, because I have it unplugged right now, and it's idling, but not perfect, but it's still idling. I'm gonna replace this master flow sensor, and hopefully that fixes the issues. Under this cover here is my E36. Reason why it's being covered right now, because my buddy is painting and I didn't want to overspray on it. I've done quite a bit on this car off camera as well. I installed new coilovers, real coilover this time, and also the angle kit. I did record the angle kit installation, but I just haven't had time to edit them. I may or may not post them depending on how they come out. All that's needed right now is an alignment. This one here, the yellow book. Yeah, so after loosening the T40 adjustment screw, torque it down to 72 inch-pound and loosen exactly 2.5 turn. Loosen 2.5 turn while holding down the nut, the 3/4 inch nut.
Yeah. I get him.
All right, so Jay is struggling, trying to loosen up a nut. Let me give him my hand. They good? Oh, my bad.
No worries.
Good?
Yep.
Alright. I'm just holding on the throttle bodies for him. Right now Jay is trying to adjust the band, but we're having a little difficulty trying to get the sockets in because the transmission line is in the way, the hard line. You got them on?
Not yet.
Oh my gosh. Free show here. You see, here's the funny thing.
There you go.
You know, oh, you got them out?
Not at all.
Oh, you got it on. Okay. Anyway, here's the funny thing. Every time when Jason comes to work on cars, for some reason he just loves wearing white. You know, it's like he's down to get dirty.
I don't have black shirts.
Huh?
I don't have black shirts.
None?
The one without prints. Because if you have a printed shirt, it's fucking hot as shit.
Then go get black shirts from Walmart or something, man.
It's printed. Fuck.
Anyway, I'm gonna go down there and give him a hand. Try to get under. Oh my gosh, it's freaking low. The creeper's not even moving.
Oh yeah.
It's not moving. It's stuck.
Yeah.
This is as far as I can go. So, right there, I know it's gonna be hard to see, but that's right on in the transmission. We're trying to loosen the band adjustment nut, but because the transmission cooler line is in the way, and we can't stick a socket in there with a ratchet without hitting the hard line. Yep, that's where we're at right now. No, you want to put in the socket on the ratchet first.
The socket.
No, take the socket out and put it in the ratchet.
Alright.
Stick it in. Don't forget to spit on it first. Alright, here. I'm gonna go and help him.
Alright, here we have Mikey doing my job.
Hey, don't say my name, man.
I mean, here we have Sideways.
This 36 garage. What are you talking about?
Here we have Channel 36's garage.
Yeah.
Doing my job. He's a real mechanic here.
Yeah, I gotta take care of this job over here. So loosen
2.5.
2.5. Okay, 1. Hey, get out of my face, man.
46 RE. Bullshit like that.
Sorry about that.
And we're gonna loosen the pan.
Loosen the pan, drain the oil, and then yeah. Oh.
Could you grab my concrete pan?
They good? Oh.
Yeah.
Transmission fluid. You might want to loosen one side first.
Yep.
That way all the fluids drains out on one side.
Yep.
The shitty thing about these Rams is that there's no drain bolt. You have to remove the whole pan down to drain the transmission fluid. That's why I stick with JDM and Euro.
Oh. There's nothing. The fuck?
Probably dried.
Oh, that's fucked up. Oh.
Oh,
There's nothing.
There's nothing coming out. Oh wait, there it is. Oh! You're gonna have to clean that up, man. Oh
God.
my gosh.
Oh my god.
Look what you've done, man.
Yep. It's all part of the plan.
Perfect execution. All right, so we got the transmission pan out. Got it all nice and clean. And now just waiting on Jay to clean up the mating surface. What you got? New gasket and filter.
Yeah, new filter.
Excuse me. Oh, alright. Alright, where's the gun?
It's in the middle. Stop.
My gosh. I think I'm gonna have to censor this out, you know.
15?
15. But you said it's not 15?
Oh, shit, probably. Is there 18?
18 right here.
Thank you.
The socket on and just use your hand to rotate it. You got them out?
No.
It could have been stripped too, so put the socket on and just feel it with your hand. Make sure that it's the right size. Don't just start gunning it down, you know.
Should start gunning you down.
Hey, like I told you many times, man, I'm straight. Jason is single, by the way. He's looking for a partner, preferably younger male that is single. Could be any. He's open to all kind of race and ethnicity. All right, so inner band adjustment, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 15 mil lock nut remove, and a quarter socket,
Yep.
quarter nut,
I need a quarter nut.
and
Just a score
quarter
with
nut
the
driver,
quarter nut.
and then tighten to 72 inch-pound. And loosen at 3 turn. Are you replacing the 15 mil lock nut too?
No.
Huh?
No, it's just
Okay. You sure it's a 9?
maybe.
You sure
I guess it's a 10.
it's a 10?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I don't know. People say it's a quarter inch.
You know, let me take a look. Let me take a look.
No,
Huh?
you can't really see it from stuff. It's over here.
You sure it's a 10?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm doing like free labor right here, walking back and forth, getting tools for him. 3 hours later.
Okay, that's one thing.
What, ticklish?
Can I borrow the white thing again?
Huh?
Yeah, the marker.
It's a whiteout, not a marker. Listen, let me see your fit. Give me a 360. Let me see your fit.
Okay, hold on.
Damn, bro. Fashion. We halfway done filling up the trans now.
I went through hell for that.
That took what? 5 hours, 4 hours?
No. It took 4 hours. Yeah.
It took 4 hours, but it feels like 6 hours. Cause this guy, he did not do his homework.
I did. I just forgot my tools. And then sadly, my partner only has European/Japanese.
Hey, just be grateful. Make sure this thing can actually go into park and reverse.
Well, I better hold my brakes too, because it's still on jack stand. There is one more thing I need your help with.
Yeah, what is that?
You remember the throttle body? There's a spring. I need you to
The spring?
back. Yeah, there's a spring.
Next to the throttle body cable?
Yeah. Remember when we did the outer band adjustment?
Yeah.
You saw the throttle body?
Yeah.
There was a spring that would attach to a tiny puka.
So I forgot to end the video, but after that last clip, Jason and I went out for a test drive and we decided to call it a day from there. If you made it this far into the video, I just want to thank you guys so much for supporting me. It means a lot for me. I'm sorry I haven't been posting for the past 3 months. It's because I've been busy with the baby and, you know, getting the house prepped up and ready for the baby. And I'll try my best to upload more content, but right now I'm just been really busy with the baby. But I'll try for you guys. Right now the baby is priority. Be patient with me. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.